Hello, creative buddies. Welcome back to Flying with Art. First of all, wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. In today's video, I will be making this beautiful wall decor in which there are two flamingos in love, and it is a three-tier wall hanging tied with rope. For this, I have taken three canvas board or MDF board in 15 by 20 centimeters, and later I drill holes like so that later we tied them with jute ropes. Firstly, I draw a tropical theme design on the three sheet along with flamingos, and this consists of some hibiscus flower, palm leaves, and flamingo standing in water. Then I am making a texture using homemade gesso, using a net for making this texture in some portion of all the three sheets like so. If you're new here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now I am using homemade cold porcelain clay to make design on the sheet like so. After making this leaf design in parts, I am smoothing it with water. Now I am using a tool for making holes in the leaf. You can also use pen for this purpose. Now sticking snakes of clay to make Erica palm leaf, and sticking a different size of snakes of clay to make leaves like so. Taking a portion of clay to make this Chinese palm kind of leaf, and then using knife to make a sharp edged leaf like so. And after smoothing it with water, making a pattern with the help of knife. In the similar way, making snakes of clay to make this beautiful tropical flower and sticking it with the help of white glue. Now I am making petals of hibiscus flower. For this I have taken a portion of clay and using a tool to roll it like so. You can also use a stick for this purpose, and then sticking it with the help of white glue. Using some artificial pollen grains and sticking some at the center of the flower by twisting it around and sticking beneath the petal. This completes our first tire. For the second one, I am taking a thick snake of clay to make neck and face of the flamingo like so, and smoothing with water. Now making its beak with another portion of clay. Now taking genuine amount of clay to make its feather, and using a needle or toothpick I am making texture of the feather. similar way I completed the second one, and now we come to the third tire. In the similar way, making the bottom portion of the flamingo. Don't forget to make holes so that later we can put a rope in it, making its leg by sticking snakes of clay like so. And in a similar way I completed the second one. Using acrylic color to paint the boat, first I am using light blue color to paint it, giving some shades of light turquoise and white to it. Giving some navy blue shade. Also painting the edges with navy blue color. Using a dark green color for palm leaf. Then giving some shades of light green to it. In the similar way I painted all these leaves by giving shades of light green and dark green to it. Painting this flower with orange color and giving some shades of light orange and yellow to it. Painting hibiscus flower with light pink color and giving shade of dark pink to it. Painting another one with yellow color. I painted the second tire with light turquoise color and giving some shades of light blue and white to it. I painted the third tire with light turquoise and blue shade and giving some shades of white to it. Now painting the flamingo with light pink color. Black color for its beak and white and pink color for its face, and using yellow color for its eyes with a dot of black with it, and also giving some white shade to its feather. And this completes our second tire. In the similar way I am painting the bottom portion of the flamingo and painting its leg with the light mustard color and some grey to its feet. Now making the water in which flamingos are standing. So for this I am painting it with dark blue color. Painting some waves with white color. Finally painting this tropical flower with orange color and giving some shades of yellow to it. And at last assemble all the three boards using jute rope. And this completes our beautiful 3-layered wall hanging, which turned out to be so exotic, isn't it? Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Love you all.